In this video, you'll learn how to create a Higgsfield AI account. This process will guide you through the necessary steps to successfully sign up and start using the platform. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. Type in Google in the address bar and press enter to navigate to the search engine. Once the Google homepage appears, you will see the search bar at the center of the screen. Next, click on the search bar and type Higgsfield AI. Press enter to initiate the search. The search results will display various links related to Higgsfield AI, including its official site. After that, look for the link that mentions AI video generator and image generator by Higgsfield. Click on this link to be redirected to the Higgsfield AI webpage. You should recognize the site by its distinct branding and layout. Once the Higgsfield AI site loads, locate the sign up button, usually found at the top right corner of the page. Click on this button to proceed to the registration page. A new screen will open, prompting you to begin the sign up process. Next, you will see a welcome message that includes a prompt to create an account. Click on the button labeled Welcome to Higgsfield. This action will guide you to the next step in the account creation process. Following this, click on Sign Up and Generate for free. This option will allow you to create an account without any initial charges. After clicking, the system may take a moment to process your request. Then, select Continue with Google as your preferred sign-in method. This selection will direct you to a Google account sign-in page where you can choose your Google account for authentication. After clicking on Continue with Google, you'll be presented with a list of Google accounts associated with your device. If prompted, select the account you wish to use and then click Continue. Once you've selected your account, a message may appear indicating, wait just a moment. This indicates that the system is processing your sign-in request. Please hold on until the next screen loads. Next, you'll see a message asking, how do you plan to use Higgsfield AI? This is part of a brief onboarding process that helps tailor the platform to your needs. Read the options presented on the screen. Following this, you will see a message stating, we'll tailor features and AI tools to your goals. This is an indication that the platform is gathering information to provide a personalized experience. At this point, click on Personal Use to specify your intended use of the platform. This selection will help further customize the onboarding process. After making that selection, click on Intermediate to indicate your familiarity with AI tools. This will help Higgsfield AI understand your skill level and provide appropriate resources. Next, a message will prompt you with, what do you want to create? This is a chance to specify your interests and goals with the platform. Take a moment to consider your options. Following this, you will see a message stating, choose as many options as you want. This allows you to select multiple interests or goals, enhancing the customization of your experience. Then click on Video Generations to indicate that you are interested in creating video content. This choice will direct you to relevant tools and features within Higgsfield AI. Next, click on Continue to proceed after selecting your preferences. This will advance you to the next part of the onboarding process. You will see a message asking, how did you hear about us? This information helps Higgsfield improve its outreach and services. Choose the option that best fits your experience. Following that, a message will appear stating, this helps us improve our product. This is a reminder of the importance of your feedback in shaping the platform's development. Next, click on YouTube, for example, to share a specific example of how you discovered Higgsfield AI. This feedback contributes to understanding user acquisition. Then click on Last Question. What frustrates you most about AI content generation? This question aims to gather insights on user experiences and expectations. After that, click on We'll focus on delivering what matters most to you. This assures you that your feedback is being taken seriously and will influence future developments. Next, click on Limited Generations, for example, to indicate any restrictions you have encountered. This feedback is essential for improving user experience. Finally, a message will prompt you with Get Unlimited Access. This indicates a potential upgrade option for your account. Click on Continue to explore this option further. After reviewing the options, click on Close to exit any pop-up messages. You may need to repeat this action to close additional prompts. That concludes the account creation process for Higgsfield AI. Thank you for following along and see you in the next tutorial.